Don't get bitter and don't go around discouraged. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. Don't use your energy to get bitter and go around discouraged. Use your energy to the positive thing in life, because when you have God in your heart, when you call upon Him, He will start reigning in your life. He will make a way where you don't see a way. He will promote you when people try to hold you down. He will give you beauty for those ashes. He will restore you and bring you through the disappointment better than you were before.